Hi guys, my name is Amber, and on cold winter days I like cleaning my car and getting my hands freezing cold.
Hiya.
Thank you. Ooh, I could drink that. It's just a fruity smell. That is delicious. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another video back on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. As always, my name's Amber. Now you join me today for another car cleaning video, and I'm about to clean, you can see parked outside the flat there, my dirty, it was yellow but it's now dirty, Abarth 595 Trofeo, modified Abarth that is. So the purpose behind another cleaning video by me is, first of all, I like trying new cleaning products, and second of all, I got sent some courtesy of TJ's car care company. So as I've got older, I've started to want to support smaller businesses. So there's loads of people that make their own car cleaning products. Some of the big companies that you've probably heard of, like Maguire's, Auto Finesse, Auto Glim, and I think it's important to start supporting smaller businesses. So TJ's is a smaller business. He makes his own car cleaning products, and he's also a valeter / detailer by trade, so he knows his stuff, and the fact that he makes his own products as well is pretty cool, so he can use his own products on the job. So TJ also sponsors a very cool modified Abarth, which I'll insert a photo now. So this is Tom's modified Golf liveried, if that's a word, Abarth. So he's sponsored by TJ's, and yeah, we sort of started talking, Toby from TJ's Car Care, and I said, look, I'm looking to try some more products. I'd love to try some of your products. I've now got the Honda Civic to try some products on, and obviously I've got my Abarth, which is my real daily, and it's always getting dirty. So he sent me out a few products to try. What we're going to be trying today is one of the 3 products he sent me. The other 2 are mainly going to be used on the Civic for the older paintwork that's on the Civic. So let's just start by showing you the 3 products he sent and what I'm going to be using today. So product number 1 is the product that we're going to be using today on my dirty Abarth, and it's also obviously a product I can use on the Civic because it is a shampoo. It is a nice size bottle for once. Nice pop lid. Just going to have a little sniff because you got it right. Fruity, I'd say. The next product I was sent was a quick detailer spray, which again is a nice size bottle, also got the spray head, and with that as well is a clay bar, because obviously you need a quick detailer spray to lubricate the clay bar then going over the paintwork. So these are 2 products I'm going to use on another video when I get around to finally cleaning the Civic, because I haven't actually cleaned the Civic while it's been my ownership. Cool thing is, again, you got the clay bar in a nice little box, that's also purple to match the quick detail spray. Again, let's just have a little sniff of this. Nice size bottle, like I just said. Nice colour. Ooh, I could drink that. Smells like grapes, or just a fruity smell. That is delicious. So yeah, I really appreciate a small company like TJ's Car Care sending me out his products. We're going to do a little review on the shampoo today. Like I said, it's the product we're using on my Abarth. If you want to buy and support a small business like TJ's Car Care, all the links are below in the description to this video. And he also said if you do contact him, like private message him over on his Facebook page or Instagram page, I'll link his Instagram down here. He said if you mention me, then he can probably do some sort of a discount on my products too. So yeah, just support smaller businesses, guys, and let's give the shampoo a whirl. So I used to be a valeter by trade. I'm not anymore, thank goodness, and my hands are cold, and it's a winter's afternoon. I'm going to start washing the car, so obviously before I go into the shampoo stage, I've got to wash the wheels, snow foam it, and then we're going to use TJ's shampoo. So I'm just going to stick the GoPro on, whiz round my little car routine, and then once I start on the shampoo, I'll then get back to you on this camera and we'll talk through the shampoo. So I've just rinsed the car down from its snow foam. We've now got the 2 buckets. We've got the clean, well, the dirty water bucket it will be. We've got the clean shampoo bucket. So I've already filled up with hot water. You can't blame me for the hot water because it's quite a cold winter's day. And what I'm going to do is put a couple of drops of this in. Nice and thick. That looks pretty cool going in the water. Put that down there for a minute. Get the old jet wash. Let's suds it up. Hiya. Thank you. Hopefully a bit cleaner now. Did you hear that, Martin?
That?
Likes the car.
Who?
Bloke.
What bloke?
Someone walking by.
Oh.
So I've just finished washing the Abarth. So like I said, we just used TJ's car shampoo today. We will use the clay bar and the quick detail spray on the Honda Civic another day because that needs a proper going over. That's for another video, so we've got some more videos to come featuring TJ's car products. But for now, I've just used the shampoo. It smelled really nice, like I said before. Really nice thick shampoo. Like I said, glided well over the paintwork. Cleaning. It cleaned, it was great, and yeah, just please support more smaller businesses like Driven 24/7 and like TJ's Car Care. All the links to their website, to their Facebook page, to their Instagram are linked below in description. Like I say, private message Toby from TJ's and he will hopefully give you some sort of discount. Just say Driven 24/7 or came from the YouTube video. He's a UK based car company. So yeah, big thanks to TJ's for encouraging me to wash my bath in the first place. If you hadn't sent me the products, then my car would still be dirty. So yeah, thanks to TJ's for reaching out to a little small YouTuber like me and sending me some products to try, and I loved them, and I'm sure I'm going to like the quick detail spray, and I'm sure I'm going to like the clay bar. I like a nice clay bar on my hand, you know. Yeah, really impressed so far just by the car shampoo. 2 more products to try from TJ's, so please support him if you want any products. Highly recommend, so please check out the website, do a buy and say Driven 24/7 sent you. So yeah, that is another cleaning video uploaded on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. If you like this video, give it a like. Talk to me, communicate with me and comment below. Share this video with any of your car detailing friends or anyone else that likes washing their cars or likes a bath or just likes cars in general. Just share and help get the Driven 24/7 word out there. Trying to build Driven 24/7 into more of a brand community, not just all about me and the cars that I own or my parents own. And make sure you follow me on all the socials to see them at the end of the video. If you want to support me further, check out driven247.co.uk where you can buy t-shirts and some stickers and new products coming soon. Very excited times. Once again, thanks to TJ's for supporting me, sending me some products to try, and thanks to you, I now have a cleaner bath and I'm going to keep using your products in the future. So thank you very much for watching this video, everyone. Support small businesses. Bye. Right, okay, so I think as I've got older, I've started... You can have to excuse the road noise, it's really busy Sunday afternoon and everyone's driving past all at once.